Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Ed with the Reef Corner. Just an update of a parrot that I have. At first I was not sure what kind of parrot it is, but it's what I'm told, a bullethead parrot. Or a bullet parrot. Aggressively eating pellets, eating frozen. My tank is not happy. Get away! Come eat him over here. Diep is scared. He sees the camera. I'm getting a nasty glare. I have no flash. I don't want to scare him. Trying to throw the food on the other side so he'll go eat over there. There we go. Surprisingly, he goes after the clams as well. If we get a little closer, the glare goes away, but I scare the crap out of him. Alrighty folks, if you want to see all my videos, TheReefCorner.com, my webpage. Follow us on Instagram at TheReefCorner. 201-926-0536, call or text. Or email me at sales@TheReefCorner.com. I think if I turn some lights off also, some of this glare goes away. It is a eating machine. My apologies again for that crappy glare. It's probably the worst tank I have to videotape in, which is like why before they come to this tank, I typically like having a video already. Behave. He's like, what? No, I'm nervous. He's like, you're getting too close with that camera, dude. Alrighty. Alright folks, thank you very much. Again, 201-926-0536, call or text, or email me at sales@TheReefCorner.com. Look dude, I threw a whole bunch over on this side. Come and get it. Come and get it. No, seriously, come and get it. Where'd you go? Oh my god. Alrighty, thank you.